You all know what we are here for this evening. And I want every one of us to pay me perfect attention this evening. You, can you act?
I can act now.
You sure you can act?
Very well.
Very perfectly. Very perfectly. I trust these ones. I trust these ones. I trust this one. I trust them. I trust them. But you, this is a new face. Can you act?
Yes.
You can act very well.
Yes.
Perfectly.
Yes.
For how long have you been acting?
It has been long. I cannot even remember again.
Which role can you play very well?
Any role.
Any role?
Yes.
Can you act like a demon?
Demon, what is this?
Wow. Oh, I can see. You even look like one of the demons.
Are you cursing me?
I'm not cursing you. So, class, I want him to step forward now. I want the best for him. Remember, if you act this role well, it will make you a celebrity that people will know you worldwide.
Really?
Yes.
Convince that now.
Hey, can we come forward? Yeah, come forward. So let us call fire. Let's see the best from him. He said he can act like a demon. We want to call fire. 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 1, 2, go. In Jesus' name.
Fire! 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 Fire!
What is it? Stop it! Fire! 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 Fire everywhere!
What is it?
No. I thought you said practice you want to do. Why are you calling fire on me?
We are rehearsing now.
This is not rehearsal. Even you, I can enjoy your own voice there. But this small one. Start shouting fire. Our voice is even more louder. Do I look like a demon? Do you know what is called demon? Do you know what is called fire? They got fire at me. Don't you know I can give you my house and be training you? You look at a big person like me. You are shouting fire on me. Don't look at a demon. I thought you said it's the other. But why are you so serious?
So what are you trying to say?
I'm not acting again.
You are not acting again.
If this is only role that can make me to be known, I know I can't act again. Even demon cannot withstand this kind of fire. Fire doesn't know what is
going
to
act again.
No.
You don't want people to know you.
Knowing me when fire has already consumed me. They're saying people should know me.
So you want to leave the practice ground now?
You come and act as a demon. Let us see you. Let us fire you. You say it's easy to shout fire. Don't you know I'm a human being? I'm not a demon.
So you are not leaving?
I'm going.
You are leaving?
I'm going.
You are leaving?
Yes. Continue with your fire.
Can
fire,
you see?
Fire.
See somebody that he wanted to be a celebrity. And he told me in the first place that he can act like a demon. He has lived.